Alright, Aaron's grape challenge.
It's not a challenge.
We're making it a challenge.
Okay.
1,
Wait, there's a stick here. Never mind.
2, 3. Oh no, chipmunk cheeks.
That was 4. Right?
4, 5. Chipmunk cheeks. 6.
I can't do this.
Come on. 7. Chipmunk cheeks. 8.
I can't fit them in my mouth.
9.
I can't fit any more in my cheeks.
Okay, you gotta start piling them in the middle. 10. 11. 12. Oh, it should be 12 and a half. 13. Can't eat them yet. 14. 'Chipmunk cheeks. 'Winter, come here. 15. Come on, say it. 'Chipmunk cheeks. Group. Group. 16? I don't know, I lost count. We'll have to watch the video again and count again. Why is it getting all blurry? $17. 18. That's it. 18.